In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact strategies I use it to earn $23,790 in commission with affiliate marketing on Facebook, from selecting the right products or services to finding the right customers who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate link so you can earn commission and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end because I will share all the methods that helped me to succeed in this affiliate marketing business. And let's get started. So I made this commission from the first day of June until the day 9 of July. So it's almost like 39 days. Okay, I made this commission using free traffic. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot, guys. I can click over here. I have my dashboard. I have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store, and even my ID. I don't need to show that, but that's fine anyway. So for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number 1, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So what you will do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's profitable because they are paying good commissions. Okay, so you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, so it's better to choose no because they will, if you choose yes, they will ask you to put your website if you have a website. But if you don't have a website, just put no. Okay, choose your country. It's super easy, and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. Sign up process is super easy, will take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, you should see here commission, clicks, CTR, registrants, and first time buyer. Okay, anyway, so what you will do next is you need to choose the right services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable service that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to your home page, click on the search for website development. Okay, search for this service, website development. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. If those sellers has good reviews, good feedback, they will also buy the service from you and you will earn commission. It's super easy. Okay, so let's choose, for example, one of those sellers. So I will design and develop professional WordPress website. This one is looking really good. I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, like this. As you can see, this seller has 9 orders in queue. People keep coming back. People keep coming and buying more services from this seller because he is providing good service for his customers. This seller has 5-star, 700 reviews. That's a really big number. So you can see how many people paid for this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. So all you have to do, you just need to click on deep link again and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So what you will do next, we will go to Facebook. So all of you guys have Facebook page, okay? You have a Facebook account. That's just your Facebook account. Open your Facebook account. Super easy, okay? Open your Facebook account. Click on the search for WordPress developers. Search for WordPress developers like this. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. Okay, we need Facebook groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups, and it's for free. So let's pick, for example, the first group. I'm gonna choose this one. And click on the group that you want to use. Scroll down. Let's scroll down. And here you go. This person, hey, I need a web developer to design my website. Anyone here? This person search for website developers. Okay, search for web developer. That's really good. And that's why we are promoting this service. This service about website developer, okay, development, as you can see, okay. And this person is searching for website developer. Let's scroll down. Here is another person. I need someone to create a website, okay. This person search for someone to make a website for him. So what I will do, I will click on the name of this person and I will click on message, okay. I will send a professional message with my affiliate link to this person who is searching for website developer to make a website for him. So what you will do to create a professional and friendly message, go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. Search for just ChatGPT, not for, okay? Search for ChatGPT like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy, it's for free. I'm just using the free version. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on message and put this message here. You can copy my message if you want, or you can create your own message if you want. That's fine. So I asked ChatGPT create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy website development service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go, ChatGPT created an amazing message. Look at this one. I hope you are doing well. Are you looking to create a stunning website or revamp your current one? Whether you are a small business owner or blogger or just someone with a great idea, having a professional website can make a world difference. Okay? I recently came across some fantastic website development service on Fiverr that I think you would love. The developers on Fiverr are highly scaled and can help you bring your vision to life at affordable price. That's a professional message. That's good. Okay? Copy this message. All you have to do is you need to copy this message. Okay, like this. Go back to Facebook and send this message to this person. Click over here. Let me show you. And go, let me show you. There is a part when you can put your affiliate link here. Check out the top rated website developers on Fiverr here. Put your affiliate link here, okay? Let me show you. It's super easy. We will put our affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. It's not available for new accounts, but it's fine. It's the same. You can copy your affiliate link from here, Fiverr Pro new plan, okay, from here. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, and as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long. I want to make it short to make it looks good. So it's not important, but you can do it if you want. You can use this website. I just put my affiliate link here, and I click on shorten to make it short link. Okay. And here you go. I will copy the link from here. I will go to Facebook. I will put my affiliate link here, and I will click on send, and that's it. My message will be sent to this person who is searching for someone to create a website for him. So if this person is still searching for someone to create a website for him, he will check my message. If he click on my affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. Okay, as you can see, he will click on continue, buy this service from me, I will earn commission. He will see this seller is a good seller, he has a lot of reviews, 9 orders in queue, people keep coming back, that's a really good seller, and that's it. It's super easy, guys. Okay, you just need to convince those people to buy those services from you. So I share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you. I share with you how you can create your affiliate account, how you can create your affiliate link, how you can use free traffic, and how you don't need to invest any money. You just need to learn how to promote those services, how to convince people. Those people are your customers. Okay, those people on Facebook groups are your customers. Okay, here is another person, WordPress developer needed. Just posted this post today. Okay, I can click here on his name, and I can send a message to this person who is searching for WordPress developer. Okay, scroll down. Here is another person. I need an expert web developer. Let's scroll down. WordPress developers needed. Here is another person searching for WordPress developers. Okay, click on message. Scroll down. Here is another person, need WordPress developer. Scroll down. You can find unlimited customers every single day. If you come to those Facebook groups, you will find new people searching for WordPress developers. That's how we made a lot of commission. That's how we're still making a lot of commission using Facebook groups, free traffic, without investing any money in paid ads. Okay? And that's it. This is the method. The business model is clear, but it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy. I share with you everything, but it's not easy because you need to stay consistent. You need to learn how to talk with your customers, how to convince those customers to buy those services from you. You need to learn marketing. If you are a beginner, you should learn marketing and how you can talk with your customers. If you don't know, they will not buy those services from you, and so much more. Okay, but if you follow those steps that I'm sharing with you, you can make your first commission just in a few weeks if you stay consistent and you keep doing what I share with you in this YouTube channel. Okay, that's it. Also, guys, I'm working on an affiliate marketing course that will be ready very soon, maybe in the next 2 weeks. Affiliate marketing course will cover everything, advanced new methods from scratch, from zero to hero. Okay, this course will cover everything. Stay tuned, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Make sure to like this video so you can see that you guys are really interested in affiliate marketing business and you are interested to make money online with affiliate marketing. Make sure to like this video so I can keep sharing with you new methods, new services, and how we can find people who will buy those services from you. Okay, see you in my next videos.